Happy birthday, B-boy. Sa Amerika daw, siya yung nililibre. Eh, Pilipino kami, so siya malilibre. Happy birthday, dear B-boy.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay. Happy birthday. Make a wish, make a wish. Huwag ka na, yay, thank you. Huwag ka na sesemplang, ha? Anong message? Anong message mo?
Ang wish mo.
Hindi sesemplang.
Alright, and now with all the shenanigans. So we're from Mystic Diner. We celebrated his birthday for breakfast. And now we're heading out for a ride. That's boy at the front. And the birthday boy obviously at the left. Let's do this. We're going to Chelsea Groton back to get some money, I think. As I expected, they took off early. Iniwan nila ako. Ang buhay talaga ng scooter. Anyway, I'm here enjoying the weather with my wife. We're actually here in this is like Mystic, going towards Groton, Connecticut. So for the people that are following me, I'm trying to do all these personal vlogs. I was not really expecting anybody to follow me or subscribe to my blog. This is basically like just for my personal stuff. It's like a diary for me of the stuff that I do. Moto vlogs, you know, personal videos, basketball, music, punk rock, skateboarding if I have a chance. You know, stuff that I do every day. So as you can see, they're trying to raise each other up. Hindi natin sila abutan. I don't think we're gonna catch up this much because I'm just riding my scooter and I have a OBR with me. Over the back ride person is my wife, aka G-Shock. I'm just appreciating the weather. As you can see, mapapagod din naman yung mga yan eh. They're gonna get tired like, and they're gonna end up waiting for me. That's why I don't rush. I just enjoy the view and ride. So itong meron ditong roundabout. So dito heading to Groton na to. It's just a quick ride because I actually didn't film the one from the diner. I start filming after we get gas, so it's pretty close to Groton already. So let's see how fast we can go with this bike. I mean with my PCX 160 with a back ride. So right now we're playing around like 53 I see until I catch up. That's 53 miles. Hindi po nakakaalam may use miles here in the US. I know in Asian countries like the Philippines where I'm from, they use kilometers. Alright, yan ang mga kalakoy. Two motherfuckers in front. Ano yung plano nito sa B-Boy mamaya? Mga gabi. I don't know where we're gonna go. Sa mga nagtataka po, because I'm getting messages from other people not aware yet with this camera. I'm pretty sure this has been out for a while. People thought I have a drone, but this is a camera. It's a 360 X3. They already have the X4, I think, released like a few weeks ago, but I have an X3. That's why it looks like this. Excuse me mga kabataan, gang. Yung popogi nyo talaga pag naka-helmet kayo, ha? Bilis nyo, iniwan nyo ako dun sa likod eh. I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna link their Cardo to my Cardo so that they can actually hear what I'm talking about when I'm talking to them. But for now, tataga muna kayo sa akin. Kala ko, huling ka na eh. Ano pala yun? Fire truck pala yun. Yun o, dumadapa-dapa ka. Sila ulo! Isa naman o. Ulit nitong dalawang to. Patayin ko yan. Ulit nyo ha. Pag na-champuan ko yan, patay sa akin yan. Hindi nyo madadali. Ano nga yan? Paano yung sa TikTok? Ay, puta, may iwan ako. Alright, so back to the right. Dito, bandang Central Laboratory. Shout out to my boy Dwayne. Dati dito sila nakatira, pero si Jason yata dito nakatira. Shout out teammate Team Maniac Jason Riggs. Sana maka-ride na kita ulit. Matagal-tagal na. So itong weather na to siguro I think around sa mga 56 to 56 Fahrenheit here in Connecticut. So medyo mabagal yung traffic natin kasi nasa downtown tayo. So saktong kulitan lang itong mga to. Hindi nang kapit nitong asawa ko, parang walang bukas ha. Okay ka lang dyan. Guys, if you guys have been any idea how I'm gonna link the Cardo to the X3 Insta360, so even whatever we're talking about ng mga kasama ko, it will be picked up by the 360. Please help me out because I don't know how to do that. So the only people that can hear me is them. I mean, you guys can hear me, but on the recording, it's just my voice. Hindi naririnig yung boss nila. So if anybody can help me out through that, that would be highly appreciated. That would be nice. Lagi na lang tayong nasa likod. Puro popcorn kinakamit ko dito kay Biboy. So he did something on his exhaust. That's why it sounds like that. It's like it's like gunshots and popcorn. I think he have an ECU flash for that. If you guys are curious what he did, I can talk to him and he can feature one of these videos. So let me know. And if you guys are wondering what kind of helmet he's wearing, it's like a helmet cover that he got right there. It's called Monolute. So I don't wait naman, tamang trip po. Pabike pa. May biker pala doon. Sige. Sasamahan nyo? Kawawa naman si kuya. Ang bubuli nyo. So as I've said, I don't get paid for Motoloot, but that's Motoloot whatever helmet he's wearing. Paputok pa. Distract ako. So yun, that's it. We're heading out in we're here in the Chelsea Grotto Bagsano. The Grotto na. We're gonna pick up some money, and I think we're gonna have a short ride going home later. We'll see. Hopefully I still have enough battery for my Insta360, because I have a feeling this thing's gonna die. Pero ito na yun, park muna tayo dahil kukulit na ito mga ito eh. Ay, masama yun. Tayo teka, nakakulit na ba si Boyet? Padaanin yung mga tugwa ka ng inahaw dito. back to the right. Ako lang nagli-lead ngayon. So, kakapal na lang ng mukha niyo pag iniwan niyo pa ako. Change out din nga pala ako. Akin. Long sleeve na riding shirt. 1G, shout out 1 Garage. Motodeck. Taga San Miguel, Bulacan po ako. Kaya sinusuportahan ko yan. Shout out Motodeck. Idek-dek. Ay, sus Mariosep ng gulat si Kuya. Sino ba yun? So, here's what downtown Girl looks like. Mga kamag-anak ko sa Pilipinas. Ito yung tsura sa amin. May traffic pa din kahit pa paano.
Hello, Marlboro.
Tayo na ng truck doon. Bakit yun yung busina? Gago yun ah. Siga yun ah. People in America sometimes honk out of nowhere. But in the United States, especially here in my state, Connecticut, honking or pinipress mo yung busina mo, it's not usual. It's kind of mean. So masanay na kayo sa mga ride ko. If somebody honks on me or somebody I honk with, akin yung sinahan dito po sa amin, especially sa state namin dito sa America, sa Connecticut. Mean po yung busina. Unless it's really emergency na kailangan mong gamitin yung busina. At syempre, kung babati ka ng tropa mo, if you wanna say hi to your friends and what's up for you to recognize, you can do that. But as much as possible, magagamit ng busina. Kasi parang minumura mo na yun. Ganun po kami. So ngayon ito, papunta na kami ng highway. Let's go. Medyo seryoso ko na dito. Kasi napakalakas po ng hangin. So sa mga nagtataka po, bakit din po ako papunta ng highway dito po sa US, basta po 100cc and above. Highway capable po ang inyong scooter. It's considered as motorcycle. Pwede po siya sa highway. Basta hindi 50cc. Kasi pag 50cc, mamatay tayo dun. So sa Pilipinas, in the Philippines, you're not allowed to ride your scooter so the expressways and big highways if you're not 400cc and above, I think, or 300cc. I don't know, I don't remember. I haven't been home in a while. But here in the United States, since PCX 160, I mean 157.9, I think to be exact, for the PCX, we are allowed in the highway. Una to. Una siya. Nakala ko ba una ako? Okay, sit back. Kapit-kapit mabuti. Pa-exit na tayo. So, medyo kapit muna na mabuti. Focus muna. Kasi medyo malakas yung hangin. Dalawa kami. So, doble ingat ako pag may angkas ako. So, malolobat na pala to. Battery low na yung sa 360 ko. Sana umabot tayo sa bahay. Kung hindi, pasensya na muna guys. At until next time, it's your boy Shell Shock. But hopefully we make it there. Highway Blues, let's go. Wah, lakas pa rin kahit may angkas. Overtake tayo. Palo pa rin. Kaya mo yan. Huwag mo kami pipiliin. So, pumalo pa rin siya ng 62 miles per hour kahit may angkas ako. Mind you guys, almost 200 pounds kami mag-asama. So, I'm really happy kung gaano ko pumalo ng P6 ko. Shoutout pala kay Chris Sanchez, kay Tian, ay kay Lion pala. Mas mga tumulong sa akin para ma-upgrade ko ng P6 ko. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. Hindi ako makakapalo ng ganito lang sa highway. DSMP ba talaga? Power. At ayun na, nalobat na kay Insta360 ko. My Insta360 is dead. So that means that whole ride is not even recorded. What a bummer. But that was the fun part because we're already in the highway. But I guess we'll do it again next time. It's your boy Shell Shock. Medyo naantok na ako. Bugbog na ako sa hangin. Enjoy. Ride safe. Peace.